I should have like a little radio hanging. Let's just hang a camera. Look, we'll just hang this camera. Cool pics. Hang that right. That's perfect. Look at that. You can't say that this wasn't meant to be. This might actually be the thumbnail. Alright, hey, what's up? Hello. Okay, we're back with another DIY closet video. Your Halloween ideas on my channel. For you, my number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just kidding. Alright, so we're going to do, if you can tell by the thumbnail, Kiki delivery service. One of my favorite all-time movies. I love House Moving Castle. I mean, watch out. I love Ghibli movies. Lord, I do love House Moving Castle too. So if I have a dress in my closet that looks like Sophie's, I'll probably do it. But I also don't have a gray wig. So there's that. I have, I think, pink hair. I have blue hair, so I can do like Bulma or somebody. I have, of course, blonde, red, black, and I think I might have another color. Don't quote me, but I might have another color. Green. I have green as well. So those are the ones I have right now. I could do out of the closet videos for, but right here we're gonna do Kiki, and this isn't going to be her exact dress. I wish I had more fabric in this color so I can, or fabric in this color so I can make the dress, but it's close enough. We ain't gotta be perfect. We ain't gotta be perfect. That's what it's a DIY costume. That's what a DIY costume is. So we're gonna go in with this dress here. So like I said, it's not like hers, so it doesn't have sleeves. But this is what it looks like. It's one of my older dresses. I don't even know where I got it. Probably a TJ Maxx, Ross, or a discount store, maybe even Deb. It's been that long since I've had this. And it's so comfortable though. But look at the color, isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Pretty. Mid length. It's the correct length, the correct bagginess. It's just, you know, not a crew neck and short sleeve shirt. But if you wanted to wear a purple shirt under this to make it short sleeve or a crew neck, then go ahead and do it. I'm not. If anything, I'd wear just a jacket if it's raining or if it's, you know, damp outside, if I'm gonna do this Halloween look out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this dress. And then we also have a bow, a couple accessories. I'm very upset that I don't have, sorry, that's the lock I'm forming. I'm upset that I don't have my Gigi. As you should know. If you don't, then you go watch another one of my videos from Animazement, like 2019. At the end of it, I have a Gigi. I did a little haul, and I got the cat. But I can't find it anywhere. I've moved probably 3 or so times since then, 3 or 4 times. Probably 4 or 5 actually. I think 4 times. It's only been a few years. But I don't know where it is. Hopefully it's in the garage right now, because I'd be very sad if I don't have it. I'm gonna have to make it essentially, because I got it out the artist alley, so it's not like it's something that's replicated. Or it might be, and I can find it on Etsy. I'm gonna look. But I'm gonna insert a picture of it so that you guys can see it. You know, I'm not lying. It would have been really cute in this video. And then I also have the broom that I'm using. It has a little spiral thing on it, you'll see. But I wish I had more, you know, plain broom, but I don't care. If I actually do this outfit, I might go out and get an actual broom. We'll see. We'll see. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the look. Just gonna put this on. I remember this being a little bit looser. Oh, it has pockets. I love that. Love that for us. I thought it was a little looser, but it's a little bit more form-fitting. Probably because I'm also older. So there's that part. And then we're gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Another half wig that I cut bangs into. This is the one I wore for my Yuri inspired, Inuyasha inspired look that you can go back as well to see. But I kind of tried to flat iron the front of the hair to the front so it can kind of have bangs. Can you see it? I tried to do it to the front so it can kind of have some bangs here. So it's gonna look a little bit like Kiki's hair. I'm gonna push it back a little bit. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and see. And there's my blonde one. My black one, a long black one. The one I made, but I have to put combs into. I made this one, but I have to put combs into it. And it's like a half wig as well. Okay, y'all are gonna see me finick with this until I can get it. I have a mirror behind the camera, so I'm like, and it needs to be shorter, of course, because Kiki's hair is not that long. I need to blow this out, but I can't blow it out at the moment. We're just gonna do what we got. I did have a video of me cutting this, but I recorded it so bad. It was so bad. So this is, we're gonna get, it needs, like I said, it needs to be shorter here. Like Kiki's is a little bit shorter. And then I have, of course, her red bow. Let's see if we can do this in one swipe. Don't mind my arms. I ain't got nobody to impress with no my arm hairs. If I did, then it wouldn't be there. Okay, I'm just kidding. Let's go ahead, pull that up some. She is a little frazzled, so I'm not gonna do perfect bang. Like if I was trying to style this like cute, I'd probably go like this and stuff, but it's Kiki. She's like what, 12? Let's put this to the side. Her bangs are kind of like that. There we go. I think that's cuter. That's cuter. Should we put the hair to the back so it looks shorter? That's cute. Okay, that's cute. I like it. Okay, got the bow, got the dress, and you just put on this regular old shoes. I have these regular slide-on shoes. Go ahead, put these on, and all right, so I got the shoes on, and we're basically ready. I'm gonna insert, of course, Gigi here, so you can see I'm not lying. That's Gigi. And I'm gonna go off on my broom. So once I have my broom, you'll see the ending take of me going off. I didn't find a broom. I found a vacuum cleaner. So just pretend that Kiki ran into Hocus Pocus and this is what happened. Oh, this vacuum's cold. And I'm gonna put Gigi right here, and we're off. See, vacuums are better, right? They're better. Oh, I should do this. And we're off. Like I said, we're gonna get better angles, you know, later on in life. I should have like a little radio hanging. Let's just hang a camera. Look, we'll just hang this camera. Cool pics. Hang that right. That's perfect. Look at that. You can't say that this wasn't meant to be. This might actually be the thumbnail. I'm gonna walk closer so I can get closer to you guys. I'm closer now. And if I was really doing this, I'd have to bobby pin this wig down a little bit. And we're off. There's the camera. Pretend it's a radio. One day, the whole world's lost. Oh wait, I can't sing on YouTube. Don't it suck when she loses her powers? I felt like I lost my spirit and my powers when she lost her powers. I was like, no, not you. Kiki, what are you going to do? Okay, I'm gonna stop. But for real, it's real sad. I'm gonna take this off so it doesn't break. But yeah. Oh, I guess I could do Hocus Pocus. I just don't have all the stuff, but eventually I will. And I do costumes. I would do a costume all year round. Like you see, I go to cosplays and stuff like that. So don't be surprised if outside of October you see a video me going like, hey, dressing up as like somebody from the Sinners or something like that. Don't be surprised if I was able to find an outfit. And I'm not cosplaying cleaning up right now, even though the floor is dirty. Y'all see that? I should clean up. I'll be back with the broom. Okay. Yep, this works. Okay, so I'm recording, right? So your girl put on a bra. Yeah, I'm recording, right? So your girl put on a bra because I look back at my footage. I was like, oh shoot, no. I'm gonna still keep some of that footage in because girl, I can't redo funny. I can't redo my personality. So we're gonna leave that in. They're hyped up. And yeah. Another look at Kiki with the bra. Because I'm not, well, and even if I was, still wear train bra. Even though I'm free the boobs. I'm all free the boobs. But just sometimes, you know, when you're trying to get that certain look, especially when it comes to a costume or cosplay, you gotta put on the necessary. If I had to put on a girdle, I would, you know what I'm saying? Put on that girdle. Make sure it's all girdled in. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more poses with it. With my bra on. And again, this could be shorter. Giving bob almost. Nope, long bob actually. But yeah, I'm gonna grab the vacuum cleaner again so you can see it. Let me go like boom boom with Kiki. Boom boom, boom boom. And then with the broom. Got the vacuum, hocus pocus. Until I get my broom from downstairs. Oh yeah, my radio. My radio hooks right there on the broom, i.e. vacuum cleaner. And you're gonna see Gigi sitting right here when I edit it in. Cause I thought I had a black cat, but I don't. I have a brown one. Hold 1 second. Let me. Y'all about to see. When I was looking around, I was like, not between me and my child. Neither of us have a black cat. All we have up in here is this beanie that's brown, and we have a few other ones that are black and whites, and then a half mil. Not even all the way black, but the half mil. It's cute though, and it kind of goes like, ain't it cute? Oh shoot. Oh. Ain't it cute? Little meow. Meow. And it's kind of witchy since it has like wings and stuff, so it's a little good temporary. Look at my temporary. See, this is straight out of the closet. If you need some ideas, don't got a broom, get you a vacuum. Don't got a cat, get you a half meal. You don't got a radio, get you an old camera with a little string on it. Or get you an ornament with a string. You can see it better against the white wall. Look. Oh, not that way. Ready. But I know my Gigi would have been very cute. It's adorable. All right. So, yeah, I'm gonna go get the broom so y'all can see full everything. But this is the look. All right. And that's enough. All right, we got a broom. Like I said, it's not plain, so it's okay. Take the hair back down. Let me close the door really quick. So I have little kids in the background that decided to invade my space. So, yes, you did. But here's the look. All right. So here's the look. And if we got to put a little radio here. Whoop, don't drop it. So this is another DIY closet video, and the next one is going to be, well, it's a secret. You're gonna find out. But thanks for watching, and you'll come back soon.
Okay, done.
It?
You can see your feet.
Yeah.
A little bit. You look like a girl from Kikis deliveries.
I admit that's the one with the rest of me.
That looks good. Are you gonna get that for Halloween?
I don't know. We'll see. Imagine this to be shorter.
Okay, I can see the whole body.
Good.
Oh, that's
a lot of work.
That away. Move that.
Move what?
Yeah.
That?
I can see like that whole place. The kind of like
This?
kind of like moving that whole thing with all that stuff.
Oh yeah, I can't. I already moved it back. I have to like move everything. And I'm not doing that this video. I'm gonna do it the next one. Yeah.
Are you wearing your song recording?
Yeah. I'm gonna just edit it out. Of course, Anna. I'm trying to stand on one foot. You would shake too.
What?